Welcome to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel. Today, we're cooking a healthy and tasty mooli ki sabzi. If you are a vegetarian and love making and enjoying different sabzis, this dish will be light on your stomach. Here's everything we'll need to make this fresh and healthy dish. Mustard seeds, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, salt, sugar, curry leaves, chopped chilies, coriander, lemon, green peas, urad dal, chopped onion, and shredded mooli. Now, let's see how to make an authentic, fresh, and healthy mooli ki sabzi in an easy way. As always, make sure the ingredients are ready beforehand. Light the gas stove and add 2 tablespoons of oil to the kadai. Add a little mustard seeds and jeera seeds to the heated oil. Now add the chopped onion to the kadai and let it cook until the onions become slightly translucent. Next, add a few curry leaves to it. Add half a ball of green peas to the mixture. Then add 4 to 5 chopped green chilies and mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon of urad dal and mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the kadai. Now mix it well. Squeeze half a lemon into the heated ingredients and mix it well. Now add the freshly shredded mooli to the kadai and mix it evenly until all the white mooli turns yellow. Now add a little coriander to it and mix it well. Add half a teaspoon of sugar as well and mix it evenly. Now let it cook in steam, so place the glass lid on the kadai. After 2 to 3 minutes, open the kadai and mix it again. add freshly chopped coriander and a little shredded dry coconut for extra taste. Switch off the gas stove and give it a final mix. Serve it in a bowl with shredded coconut and coriander as a topping on the dish. Look at that freshly cooked mooli ki sabzi. It tastes delicious when served with chapati, fulka, or roti. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to click the notification bell for more traditional Indian recipe videos. See you next time with another recipe straight from the heart of Indian kitchens. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel for such videos, share it with your friends and family. Eat healthy, be happy and stay blessed.